Okay, it's been a little over a month of driving with the yellow tinted headlights. And again, it's either a love or hate thing. A lot of people, feel strongly one way or the other. I've gotten that they look pretty retro, and I do think they do look retro, right? Because that GTSR, right, that 90s, early 2000s GTSR that we all came to love, had this kind of style headlight. The only problem, and this is what I found, is driving it at night, you have reduced visibility. The tint makes the headlights pretty dim. So I'm gonna peel off one side, turn on the headlights, and kind of show you what it looks like compared with and without them being on. But I'll probably leave the fog lights just for the time being, just because why not, right? I just really need the headlights to see at night. So let me go ahead and turn on the headlights and show you what we look like here. As you can see, both headlights are on, and this is as much light as I get. I'm hoping the camera kind of portrays what we're talking about here, but I mean, you kind of see what I'm talking about, right? Like, that is a pitiful amount of light coming out of the headlights. So let's peel off this driver's side, and it should be as easy as just peeling it off. Like I said, it hasn't been on there long. Kind of been out in the sun a little bit, but oh yeah, look at that. So just trying to pull it off in one piece here, and there's my 3M PPF under it. That's actually protecting the headlights. So this film, if you didn't have any sort of PPF on the headlight, I guess that is one potential benefit you'd be weighing, is you'd get some sort of protection from the film itself. Okay, now look, see, we're already getting blasted with a lot more light here. There we go. There we go. And I mean, again, kind of the reason I did this is because it was so easy to install. Looks like we kind of picked up a little bit of the PPF underneath when I pulled that off. Still looks to be all right though. But again, hopefully you can see, I mean, the blanket is completely illuminated, and you can almost not even see this yellow one over here because the white light's so dominant. Definitely I needed this because I need to see at night. I usually don't drive at night, but when I do, I need to see. So I'm gonna pull off the other one, go get a couple pictures, see how it looks with them off, and just the fog lights on. Here we are at this beautiful location right by my apartment. As you can see, I was able to score a sunset kind of photo shoot, and I'll post the pictures up, but man, it looks freaking great. You don't really notice the fog lights that much. Again, I'll probably just end up pulling them off just because I like the way the OEM headlights and fog lights look, but for the time being, just leave them on, not hurt nothing. But yeah, now we can actually see on the drive home. Gonna be pretty nice. So stay lucky, guys.